Hey everyone, today I am in the mood for my very favorite. I make this a few different ways, but today I'm going to be making it chunky style. So for this recipe, I used 1 clove of fresh minced garlic, a handful of cilantro, like a 1/4 piece of red onion. I use white onion too, but I just had red onion today, so that's what I'm going to use. I used 2 serrano peppers and I removed the seeds. I chopped it up finely. And 2 Roma tomatoes. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to go ahead and add in my minced garlic. Make sure to get every last piece out of that. Some people don't like it with garlic, but I do as long as it's just a little bit. Okay, and to this, I'm going to go ahead and add a little salt, like so. Comes out so delicious like this. Okay. So next, I'm going to go ahead and add my avocado. Look at how beautiful that is. It's perfect in color. So this is just like perfect for the summer or anytime really. I just love this. It's like my favorite thing. And it's so good for you too. It has a lot of healthy fats. So growing up, I lived next door to a family who had an avocado tree. So from a young age, I used to eat them all the time. They'd fall over the fence because the tree would hang over our fence. And so I would always get them from my neighbor's tree. And anytime I go to a restaurant, I always have to have this too. It doesn't matter. I never tire of this. Okay, so I'm making it with 2 large avocados. This won't last any time in this house. It'll be gone. So I'm just gonna mash it up a little bit with the fork to get it started. So I like it chunky, so I don't want to mash it too much. Use this to mash it a little bit more. And it adds more flavor to it as well. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add some of my tomato. Love a lot of tomato. Some of my red onion. All of my serranos. And my cilantro. And let me know if you guys know of a better way. The only way I know to clean the cilantro is just to rinse it under cold water. I don't know any, and I think I tried putting vinegar water on it one time, but it just like melted really bad. So I never did that anymore. And then I'm gonna add, I just have these little key limes. The store didn't have like regular sized limes, so I've never made them with these little limes, so I'm gonna have to see how many it takes, but we'll start with 2. So 1, so you don't want to make it too acidic. I'll add some more salt. It looks so good. I'm not even in the mood to eat anything except like stuff like this because it's so hot. Let me taste it. It's delicious. Okay, you guys, thank you for watching. Go ahead and give this a try.